Have you ever wondered what's actually inside a bread maker? What magical machine takes a bunch of random ingredients, flour, water, yeast, and turns them into a perfect, warm loaf of bread? Today, we're opening up a bread maker and uncovering the secret technology hiding inside your kitchen. Before we dive in, do you prefer classic white bread or a hearty multigrain loaf? Comment below. Let's get this bread, literally. Outer shell and control brain. Most bread makers look simple from the outside, but they're tiny baking robots. This top section, that's the control panel, the brains of the operation. It regulates, checkmark, temperature, checkmark, mixing speeds, checkmark, rising cycles, checkmark, baking time. Inside the top, you'll find a circuit board that communicates with sensors and a heating system, so every loaf is perfectly baked. What bread maker feature do you use the most? Quick bread? Dough only? Gluten-free? You'll also find a glass window, but fun fact, steam often fogs it up, meaning most people can't actually see what's going on. A little baking mystery. The bread pan. This is the bread pan where the magic mix transforms into dough. It's usually non-stick and insulated to handle intense heat. At the bottom, a clever hidden mechanism. Checkmark A metal shaft connected to a rotating kneading paddle checkmark. It locks into the machine's motor beneath checkmark and pops out for easy cleaning. Some machines include 2 paddles for bigger loaves or better gluten development. Tell viewers, type double paddle in the comments if you've seen those before. The kneading paddle. This little piece is the MVP. The kneading paddle does what our hands normally would. Mixing ingredients evenly, working gluten networks, removing air pockets, transforming sticky goop, soft dough ball. But here's the cool part. Bread makers control kneading cycles down to the second. Not too long so dough doesn't get tough. Not too short so bread won't collapse. What's the weirdest thing you've tried to make in a bread machine? Pizza dough, jam, cake, heating element and thermostat. This heating element wraps around the inside, like a tiny electric oven. Baking bread requires multiple thermally precise stages. 1 warm, activate yeast 2 rest, allow rising, proofing 3 bake, high consistent heat 4, keep warm, maintains fresh texture. The thermostat is the genius behind this, constantly sensing and adjusting temperature like a smart home appliance. Imagine trying to do all that manually. Bread makers are patient little bakers. Motor and mechanism underneath the bread pan. A strong electric motor plus gear system converting fast, spinning rotation into slow, powerful kneading motion. These gears are built to push against thick dough for 10 or even 20 minutes straight. This is where cheaper models fail faster. So if you knead dough often, invest in durability. Safety plus cool bonus features. Some bread makers go beyond the basics. Fruit and seed dispensers for timed add-ins, delay timers. Wake up to fresh bread, gluten-free custom settings. Adjust kneading and heat, non-stick scratch-resistant pans. Safety elements include thermal fuses, insulating walls, vibration reduction pads, all keeping your kitchen safe from bread explosions. And that's what happens inside a bread maker. A little mixer, a precise oven, a clever timer system, all working together to deliver bakery-level bread right at home. If this video helped you understand what's really going on in your kitchen gadgets, smash that like button, subscribe for more fun tech breakdowns, and share this video with a bread lover. Comment below, what kitchen appliance should we open up next? Thanks for watching, and remember, technology tastes delicious.